Okay, now I want to import the audio from my Final Cut. What we did is we exported the audio as an OMF file, which gave me the metadata and the media. Now allowed me to look at the tracks just as they appeared in the Final Cut project. Let's go ahead and go File, and we're going to go Import. And this time we're going to find we have to look under Session Data. It's not really considered audio because it's going to contain metadata. So let's go ahead and go Import Session Data, and we're going to find our a window will pop up. It'll ask me what it's going to say what I have a choice of. I want to import the last export that I did, which was Soda Movie, which with today's date, and I'm going to go ahead and go Open. And now I have a window that gives me a choice of it gives me a couple choices here. It tells me where the sequence came from and where it's going to go. I have a starting time of 1 hour, 29 drop frame, and so forth. You can see where it came from. And it gives me the option of whether I want to copy the media or whether I want to link to original source media, which wouldn't be a good idea. I would recommend copying the media. Consolidating the media, which if you have tremendously long handles, you would want to do that. But in this case, let's go with just copy media. There's another one there, force to target session format. We're not going to do that either. The video, we're not importing video at this point. So it's showing me that I have 2 tracks. That's good. Okay, let's import our audio now from our OMF. All right, that was pretty quick. Now, what you'll see is our original QuickTime movie up top and our guide track, and then just below, these are the original audio that created this track. Now I have the ability to edit these tracks the way I want. So let's shrink this down a little bit. We could see every single cut within that movie. So these files correspond to each picture cut. And because I have a handle length, I have the ability now to do some adjustments on these. I can trim them out beyond the length of the cut if I need to. So that audio actually extends beyond the end of the cut, but that gives me the ability to do some editing if I need. And that's how you import your audio from an OMF.